How to buy Prime membership on Amazon. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can buy Prime membership on Amazon, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, buying Prime membership on Amazon is actually quite very simple. Now, I would not recommend you use the app. I would recommend you open up your browser instead, because on the browser it's much more simpler. You have to open your browser. Then I would make sure to drop a link below. Go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I repeat, amazon.com/Amazon Prime. There will also be a link in the description box. Now, when you're here, you want to make sure that you sign into your Amazon account on which you want to buy the Prime membership. By the way, that's basic knowledge. Now from here you can see they're giving us a free 30-day trial. So we can now tap on the start your free 30-day trial option here. As and when we do that, you'll find this little option that says all the Prime benefits that you will get when you subscribe and buy Prime membership. So not only Prime Video, you have got Prime Movies, Prime TV, Prime Music as well. So you only not get Prime Video but all the Prime benefits. So now you can just tap on add a credit or debit card here. Once you have done that, make sure you enter your payment details, your card details and so on. Then tap the add and continue option to finish buying Prime membership on Amazon. This way you can buy Prime membership on Amazon. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.